What's up, guys? So today I got some frame sliders for my CFMoto675ss right here from Savage. We're gonna go ahead and install it. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna go ahead and try and do our best. Do my best, really. Sorry for the mess of the garage. Yeah, let's get to it. So I'm gonna unbox it. See what it looks like here. Really nothing inside here other than your frame sliders, some foam. Honestly, this is eBay special. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. eBay special. Honestly excited. It was supposed to come in Saturday, but it got delayed. There's really no instructions on how to install these. I wanted frame sliders just in case I drop this motherfucker in the garage, because my garage right now is really messy. There's no tools, no instructions on how to do this. We're gonna see. Damn, it's deep in that motherfucker. You really need extensions. Damn, I don't think I got an extension for this. Oh my god. So, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. So, I think it's gonna be replacing this bolt right here. Yeah, it's gonna be this one, and it's gonna be sticking out. Really not sure if it's gonna be right there or it's gonna be in one of these holes, but I'm assuming this one's on the engine. But anyways, I'm gonna figure this out. But we're gonna cut to the next day because I gotta bring some tools on how to do this. More like to get this all fitted and assorted. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm back. Alright. So I finally got the correct tools. Since I work on cars, I got some handy dandy tools here. Looked it up online to see how to install the frame sliders. You got to remove this bolt right there. Big old bolt. But I'm pretty sure I got everything that I need. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this. It's gonna be difficult since it's gonna be one hand, but good thing I got a good amount of set here. You know, the correct tools. Hopefully I got them. Bam, 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 bam. So this is a T50. If you are using, just basic hand tools like a ratchet, this might take a while, but if you have electrical tools, this would make your job a lot quicker. So, just gonna remove this. Jeez, all right. Somebody use the air hammer. Let's see if I got something here. Like the stuff that I have at the house, it's pretty basic. And I hate using basic tools because it makes my life a lot harder. The good thing, I got another Cornwell ratchet. So, you know what we're about to do? We're about to fuck shit up here. Wow, that wasn't really tight, but now since I got that loosened, Let me adjust you guys here. It's really tough working by yourself. But if you have a extended ratchet like this, loosen that bolt and then go with your air gun. Bam! Loctite like crazy. All right, so what I did was the shorter bolt, I put it on there. Fuck the Loctite situation, but you got that one side. This fucking thing is insane. That's insane. Grab the other bolt, the longer bolt. I just feel like this bolt is just outrageously too long. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna put 2 washers on this, and it should create like a it'll make the bolt a little shorter. Hopefully I don't strip this motherfucker out. Boom. No thread lock. Fuck that shit. I'm pretty ghetto, so. Alright. So this is how it currently looks. It's pretty dark in there. But frame sliders. Good God. This is how it looks. Looks pretty good. To me, at least, it does. My motion detection light's not working. Pretty dark. Let me open the garage real quick. Alright, hopefully that's a little better. But frame sliders are on. And if you stand, you could see the frame sliders. I didn't put Loctite. I feel like I should, but I'm very confident with my Milwaukee electric gun. But that's really it. So the long bolt I use, which was on the left side of the bike, I put 2 washers to make the bolt a little shorter. And trust me, it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. You guys can do this too at the house and get this all figured out. And that is how you install frame sliders on a 675 CFMoto